Sawadee krab, kun puchom. Hello. Let's see. Family, Tanya and KJ in Bangkok, in Thailand. So I'm going to Las Vegas and I want you to come with me. Okay. So we're going to Vegas and we will do some gambling and we will do some eating and sleeping and sitting by the pool, and we're just gonna have a lot of fun. F-U-N, fun, fun, fun. Okay, so come along. See you later. Bye. Okay, we getting on the freeway and here we go. Take about 4 hours to get.
Keep right at the fork.
It'll take about 4 hours to get to Las Vegas, so sit back, relax.
Continue on California 14 North for a half mile.
Enjoy the ride. Very hot, very hot. Long knock. 104 degrees. Oh my God. Gonna kill me, kill me. Going across the mountains. Going through the mountains on our way to Las Vegas.
Without intimacy, I thought I heard the captain's voice.
Now we get to a very popular place with a lot of big rock formations. This is called Vasquez Rocks. Very popular place to hike, to camp, to picnic. A lot of people come from all over so they can come here and see the beautiful rock formations. And what they do is they come and they camp out, or they come to a picnic for the day, or they come just to hike for the day. But it's a beautiful area. Lots of beautiful rock formations, lots of land to hike, and some people live there. Okay, now we're in the desert. We've got nothing but land. It's all desert. We're going to travel the next 3 hours going through the desert. That's all it is. So come along for the ride, ladies and gentlemen, all my Thai friends. Get ready for a long trip through the desert. Okay, we're going to Las Vegas. 15 North, Las Vegas. Okay, we're still in the desert. We're headed to Las Vegas. And it is 108 degrees at 2:52 in the afternoon.
The fork to stay on I-15 North.
Okay, keep left at the fork. And we got Las Vegas, baby. That's what I'm talking about.
Continue on I-15 North for 147 miles.
Oh my God, did you hear that? 147 miles. Hey, you're a kid. We still have 2 hours to go. We've been driving over 3 hours. I want to get to Vegas. I want to get to Las Vegas now. Now. Okay, well, just when you thought it couldn't get any hotter, now it's 113 degrees. And we're still nowhere but in the desert. It's all we see. Desert, desert, desert for miles and miles and miles. Okay, nothing but desert for hundreds and hundreds of miles. Those are the solar panels that provide enough energy to run the whole town with electric. Those are huge solar panels up in the air, and then a lot of solar panels that are laying on the ground. And those create enough electricity to run the whole town. And right ahead, we're almost in Las Vegas. Hey. Koko Cup for coming with me. Thank you. Thank you for taking this ride. 4.5 hours. I'm dying. Oh my God, it's crazy. Anyway, we're going to be in Vegas in about 5 minutes, okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this around and show you Las Vegas. But in the meantime, low.
Low, she hit the floor, she hit the floor. Low, she hit the floor.
We're here. Yay! 5:30. We left at 1 o'clock, and now it's 5:30. Okay, so 4.5 hours on the road, but we're here. Now, you come with me. I'm going to take you inside. We're going to see everything, okay? Act like you own the place. Yes, I do. Into the casino. Beautiful. That's where people get married. Poker. We're here. These slot machines. That's what we're going to play later. Beautiful. Okay, here we are on the 24th floor. Got my ticket, my card, ready to go. Let's go look for the room. Okay, we're going to look for room 099. Okay, let's try this way. 099. Oh my God, look at this. Wow. We're on the 24th floor. And oh my God, look down there. Wow. 24 floors. Okay. 099. Angle. Ooh, oh my God, look how far down that is. Scary. Okay. 099. My God, look how beautiful. Wow. Two queen beds. Outside. Whee, very nice. Oh, I think we'll be happy here. Let's go see the bathroom. Full-length mirror. Bathroom. Beautiful shower. Okay, that's it. Now all we have to do is relax and have fun. See you later.